Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial at Bob the Coder. In this tutorial, we will learn about data types in Golang. If you haven't watched our previous video on introduction to Golang, first watch that. I will put link in description below. So let's get started. So here are the data types in Golang: int, float, byte, rune, boolean, and complex number and a string. So first start with int. Int have two types. First one is signed int and the second one is unsigned int. Signed int have the five different types of int 8, int 16 and so and so forth. So you can see that int 8 have 8 bits and range start from -128 to 127. Similarly for the other, and here is the int which is platform dependent, which means that if you have a 32-bit operating system then it will be int 32, and if you have a 64-bit operating system then it will be 64-bit, and same as the unsigned int, but its range start from the 0. So now let's get move to the example. To declare a variable we need to write a keyword var. So here you can see that the value of a is printed as 10. So now let's change the value of in a. So I'm taking a 150. So now it's complaining that overflow int 8. So you know that int 8 range start from -128 to 127. So it should lie between that range. So I'm changing that to 120. Okay. If you don't want to change that your value, so you need to change your int to another value. So now it should not complain. Okay, now you have seen that it is not complaining. So now move to the operation of a int. I'm taking another variable 140. So we will perform operations on these two variables. So we are doing the plus operation. So its value is coming 1 to 90. So we will perform another operation of minus. So I am writing all the operation. So here it's printed that all the values. Second data type is float. Float is used to store a floating point. It has a two type, like float 32, which is of 32 bits, and float 64, which is of 64 bits. Let's take an example of a float. First of all, we will take a variable of float type and let's take a value of 10.35. Now let's print. Now it should print 10.35. Here you can see that it is printed 10.35. Float have all the operation like we have done in integers, so let's not do that to save our time. Here we have different type of data types, byte and rune. They are integer type alias. Byte represent the ASCII character and rune represent the Unicodes. Here you can see that byte have the range of unsigned 8 and rune have the range of int 32. Now let's take example of a byte. We will take a variable bb of byte type and take a value 0. Now let's print it. Now run the program. it should print the 48 value. Yes, it printed the 48 value, which is a correspondence ASCII code of a 0. Now let's change the value 9. It should print the 57. Yes, it printed the 57 because 57 is the ASCII code of 9. Now let's take example of a room. It should print the same, but rune has a wide range of characters. Here's another data type, boolean. Bool can hold either value true or false. Here's example of a bool. We'll take a variable t of bool type. Let's take a value true. Now print it. Now it should print true. We can do AND or AND not operation on the boolean. We will see that in further videos. Here we have another data type, complex number. Complex number have two types, complex 64 and complex 128. Here is the example 2 plus iota 3. To solve this problem we have complex number. Let's take an example of a complex number. Let's take a variable of com and value 3 plus 5i, and take another variable com1 equal to 4 plus 5i. Now let's sum it. So here you can see that it printed 7 plus 10i. Real number is get added to the real number and imaginary number get added to the imaginary number. Here we have a last data type, string. String can hold letter, word and sentences. Let's take an example of a string. We will take a variable name of string type with value Bob the coder. Now let's print it. My name is name. Now run this. It should print my name is Bob the coder. Here you can see that. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and share.